somewhere behind. I steal a moment, just mine. She's light in my hands, built to flex. Not carbon dreams, just plastic and nerve. Moss on the ground, sun sinking low. I arm the motors, let her go. I don't need miles, I don't need proof. Just air and time, and a quiet truth. I fly between the pines, where the shadows move. Soft light, living in 04 Pro hues. Invisible branches, always too close. I miss most of them, but not all of those. She bends, she shakes, but she stays alive. Mario Mini25, she made it through the night. Every gap is a question mark. Every turn feels sharp in the dark. Twigs like hands I can't quite see, reaching out for gravity. One hit here, another there. Plastic sings in the forest there. Props cry out a broken sound, but she's still up, still not down. Every scratch is a line I keep, a memory cut a little deep. I fly between the pines, heart beating fast, chasing daylight that won't quite laugh. Flirt with danger, feel it bite. Sometimes it wins, but not tonight. She stumbles hard, but doesn't dive. Mario Mini25, she's still alive. Dinner waits, the sun is gone. Hands are cold, but the flight goes on. She's not perfect, never meant to be, just small and brave and free. 2.5 inches, more than enough. When the light is low and the lines get rough, I fly between the pines till the colors fade. Props torn up, but the run was made. She limps back home, a crooked smile, worn out frame, but worth the miles. Not carbon strong, but tough in truth. Mario Mini25, yeah, she made it through. Forest quiet, motor slow, last light dies in afterglow.